What up, YouTube, and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a brand new 2023 Can-Am Ryker in the shop right now. Just fresh out of the dealership, and he wants it all lit up. So let me show you what he brought me. We have the Can-Am Ryker light up Underglow kit. We have the sling mods. We have the sling mods kit for the wheels, and a bonus right in there. This is gonna be a bonus thing when I unbox to let you know. So fender strips, Underglow, brand new, 2023. So we just removed the wheels off of the Sport. You should be realizing or figuring out by now what we're going to be putting on these. And yes, I will unbox it for you right now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wheel rings to mount on your Can-Am Ryker. Nice. Look at that. Big LED. We'll be putting them on now that we got the wheels off. This is what a brand new Ryker looks like. I don't even know how many miles it got on there, but it's clean inside and out. Nice. Alright, got the fenders off, and I put tape on the A-arms to protect them from scratches. You all seen me do the fender lights. I just did a set, so it's no big deal. These are the front, the tri-fenders, so it's red in the back, white in the front. So I'm just going to do a quick install on those. You know, prep the area, put the run the strips, and that's easy. So I'm going to do that right now. But I'm going to show you how to connect it into turn signals. Alright, so this is a 2023 Can-Am Ryker, right? So in order to hook up the lights and the daytime running lights, you remove the daytime running light and the signal, connect the strips, connect the new power harness and the relay. And when you do that, what should happen is, let's turn it on. So here we go. We have the lights. Daytime running light is on. Turn signal. Everything turns yellow. Off. Back to regular lights. Turn signal, back to regular lights. So of course, to get this out, you got to remove the fender, take the 2 screws, take off the reflector. Everything is included in the kit, so there's nothing to worry about. Bang, and that's it. Alright, so to put on the wheel ring, you gotta remove the caliper and the rotor. So all of that's coming off now. All the tools that you need to do that, it will be included in the description. Alright, so we just did the wheel strips, wheel rings I mean. That's what we got so far. This is just a test run. We didn't set up the colorway yet, but that's just the demo mode. Looks crazy. Finish off with some Underglow. And don't forget these strips. All right, quick recap on the wheel rings. Inserted, bolted on using the Fender bolts. We had the Fender bolts. They send you hardware to use. So that's what's going to hold the wheel ring and your fender on at the same time. Zip ties to give you little loops here. And put some light on it. Okay, so they're going to give you bolts to hold the wheel rings on. You're going to use the same holes that you use for your fender. You're going to have to zip tie. They give you little holes here so you can zip tie and make sure it's securely on, even with the 3M tape. So you're going to run some zip ties through these little holes here. So you're going to have a LED strip on the inside and on the outside of the wheel, so you're going to be able to see it from both ways, right? Same thing's done in the back, except for the back you have to loosen up. I'll show you what you have to do for the back. So in the back, you're going to loosen up these two bolts, and that's what holds the wheel ring on. Same thing, zip ties. Going to hold the LED lights securely, and then we're going to put the wheels back on. Part 2 of this 3-piece lighting kit, light up bike build. We're going to be adding these million color LEDs. This comes with instructions, thousands of, almost 16, 17 strips, and a booklet on where they gotta go. So let's work on this bad boy now. This kit I'm installing now, the LEDGlow. So I did a whole install on this kit, so I don't have to show you exactly how it goes each piece, but you're going to put pieces here, pieces on the A-arms, upper, lower, back, around the motor, the headlights, and then wire everything up, because I'm going to put it on the switch so it'll work with the wheel rings that we did. So we're just going to finish just putting a little bit more. As you can see over there, I did around the engine. So now we're just going to do the arms, and then zip tie, connect, and see what it looks like. Okay guys, okay, so this looks like a nightmare and a nest of wires. Of course, you have 3 different kits going into one battery, so I'm gonna zip tie all this up neat and hide all of this so you won't see any wiring in the engine compartment. All the wires gonna run across the frame here, so it's all gonna be covered by the panel. And wait till I start it up. These lights look amazing. All right, $2,000 worth of lights added to this Can-Am Ryker. Let's we're gonna turn out the lights and light it up and see how it looks. All right, let me put the key in. So let's see what we got. So this is what it's like when you light a Can-Am Ryker up with about $2,000 worth of light mods. It is no joke. Alright, so that's it. All hooked up, all done. Bring your bike to the Ryker doctor. Another satisfied customer, and ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.